this series?
See, I think the uniqueness, as they also said abhi thodi der pehle in the press conference, is that the tasks are going to be tougher and much more different than to what the tasks were earlier. So even none of us know ki task kya hone wali hai. So I think that's going to be very interesting.
And how you have been following as a viewer? As a viewer, how you have following in the last 2 years?
Last 4 years, I've followed Fear Factor really well. I used to love watching it. Akshay and Priyanka have hosted it before.
So according to the director of Rohit Shetty caliber, will make us show successful as such, or there was a substitute kind of thing? Any actor?
No, I think at this moment he's as we calling him the action maestro. He's the action master. He's in fact kuch stunts he's also designed. And if you see his films, तो उसमें fun और action भरा होता है. तो ये मज़े के साथ साथ हम लोग सारे stunts करेंगे and I think it will be great.
But you know, so it's a time of stress and as such. Would there be a fear factor? Which you are fearing the people as such, common people. So how will people accept this? I mean, as such, what will be the strong point?
No, it's fear factor, but it's not a horror show.
Okay.
It's a show where you see that adrenaline going through, you see that adventure वाली चीज़ें जो most of the times people would say नहीं यार मैं नहीं करूँगा. But then end of the day when you put to that and you see people doing it, then you feel नहीं maybe I can also do it. So it's also in a way a good way to motivate people.
And there'll be some specific age group as such who can watch this show?
No, it'll be all over. Everyone can watch it because there is nothing that they won't be eating animals. So I think that is one thing which kids and other people should not watch.
My last question is that how far you are confident of winning this show and why as such?
Let's see, my funda is very clear. I've been a sports person and an athlete all throughout my life. And whenever I've entered a contest, मेरा purpose होता है जीतने का. So silently I'm here to win, to be very frank. Yeah.